let's learn a rhyme and play a game with the start of words, the sound at the beginning of words. We're looking for an animal. We're going to look for a snake. So what is the first sound you hear when I say snake? Snake. Can you say it with me? Snake. You hiss like a snake and you make a s sound. So we're going to be looking for an animal that starts with s. So here's how the rhyme goes. We're looking for an animal that starts with s, and we won't stop till we find it. Now let's give the blue door 3 sharp knocks, and we'll see who hides behind it. Open up the blue door. What did we find? Look what was behind the blue door. Do you see that? We found a tiger. The first sound in tiger is t, 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 t. Is that the same as s? No, we got to keep looking. All right, let's do our rhyme again. We're looking for an animal that starts with s, and we won't stop till we find it. So let's give the red door 3 sharp knocks and see who hides behind it. Oh, look who's behind the red door. What did we find? What animal is this? There's 2 baby piglets. And the first sound in piglet is p, 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 p. And that's not the same as s. So we have to keep looking. We're looking for an animal that starts with s, and we won't stop till we find it. So let's give the green door 3 sharp knocks and see who hides behind it. Oh, look who's behind our green door. He's a little bitty furry mouse. Do you hear that when you say his name really slowly? Mouse. So is the first sound in mouse, and that's not the same as s. I bet our special animal for today is behind here. We are looking for an animal that starts with s, and we won't stop till we find it. So we'll give the yellow door 3 sharp knocks and see who hides behind it. And we did it. Look what we found. We found snake. Can you say the word snake really stretched out and slow? Snake. S is an S sound, and that's the start of snake.